So invest in the AI skills, target these niche AI roles. Welcome to CloudIndiaJObs.com. My name is Rishi Sharma and I have more than 27 years of experience in the corporate industry with more than 15 years in the cloud computing world. I have worked with organizations such as Microsoft, Google, and I am here to tell you what you need to do in 2025 and beyond with respect to AI skills. You must have heard that AI will take away jobs from human beings. That is not correct. AI is going to create and has already created a lot of job opportunities. What you need to do is to invest your experience, what you have, or even if you are starting as a new person in the corporate industry, to invest in AI. I am going to tell you some of the niche skills in AI in 2025 and beyond. These skills will, they are huge in demand, and from 2025, that is this year, these skills will be in demand. So you need to focus on these skills, and these skills will land you with respect to the roles, the job roles which are in demand. So let's talk about the first job role with respect to AI. That is an AI cloud architect. Yes, the terminology might be different. Somebody will call it as cloud architect, AI cloud architect, AI cloud solutions architect. Primarily, what it means is, what this role does is that it architects, designs, and implements AI solutions on cloud. This is a very niche role, very much in demand in India in the cloud computing space, and you will see a lot of job opportunities will open. The salary bracket for this role is from 40 lakhs up to 1.2 crores. Yes, in India. If you search, you will find that this role is in demand and is going to be in demand. The next role is of a AI cloud engineer. It can be called an AI, it can be called like a cloud infrastructure engineer, or it can be called as a cloud IAC engineer. Primarily what this role does is that it builds AI solutions on cloud using infrastructure AI. Yes, infrastructure AI. Again, this role is in demand and will be in demand. The salary package of this role, as per your experience, AI is new, but you will be having any kind of experience in the cloud space. It starts from 20 lakhs up to 80 lakhs. Now, many of these roles complement each other. A AI cloud engineer can also be a AI cloud architect. So many of these roles, they complement each other. Next role in the AI space, which you must focus on in 2025, is on data AI. An AI data engineer, an AI data, you can call it, it can be a AI data machine learning engineer. It can be an AI data Gen AI engineer, primarily a data engineer who works maybe with ETL tools. Primarily what the job of a data engineer is. The package for this is from 30 lakhs up to 1 crore. Yes, it's very high in demand, and this role is will keep on being in demand. The next one is your AI DevOps engineer, or you can say AI, it's also called AI MLOps engineer. How DevOps, where you create CI/CD pipelines using AI. You do release and change management of your code using AI. This is for an application engineer, application developer, DevOps. An AI DevOps engineer is very high in demand. And the salary package for this, again, in India spans from 30 lakhs to 90 lakhs. A very niche role is which has come up and is in demand and will be in demand from 2025, this year going forward, is an AI security engineer or an AI security specialist, you can call, primarily who works on AI governance, who builds AI security models. That is what is the role of an AI security engineer. And again, this role, the salary package spans from 30 lakhs right up to 1 crores. Very, very niche role. The last role which I would like, though there can be various roles in AI, there will be various roles in AI, but these are the niche roles to watch upon, to work upon, where organizations are looking to hire people. One more role is of an AI product management, where you are working with a product management company like Microsoft, Oracle, Google, IBM, Amazon. You need AI product managers who manage product managers, project managers. The salary range again is from 25 lakhs right up to 90 lakhs in India. Now, the key things about these roles is that though they will be available in various organizations, but primarily, since these are cloud-centric roles, the organizations to target are leading cloud companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud. And then you have got companies, your service integrators like your Accentures, your KPMGs, the Big Fours, EY, PwC, who are also looking for such roles in the consulting space. So, dear friends, AI will not take away your job. You have to invest your skill in AI. Trust me, I have been working in the cloud computing space for more than 15 years, having a total of 27 years of experience. I still work into the cloud computing space as an lead enterprise architect. And the way the industry is shaping, change is inevitable. You have to change for the good. AI has just stepped in, and the more sooner you will invest your hard work, your effort in the right direction, you will reap good results. It's not only about salary. You will land into organizations such as Microsoft, such as Oracle, such as Google, such as IBM, such as Amazon Web Services, such as even big fours like EY, KPMG, Deloitte, big companies. If you invest in these skills and target these roles. So AI is producing jobs, is producing roles. It's up to you where you tap your efforts in the right direction, in the right space. There are various certifications which you can do, which we'll talk about in a separate session, which will prepare you for these roles. Yes, there are certifications, industry specific certifications which you can do, which will prepare you for these roles. So invest in the AI skills, target these niche AI roles, and you will be on the path to glory.